How to change the ringtone on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to your home screen. Then open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button and then tap on Settings. In Call Settings, we then scroll down and tap on Call Alerts and Ringtone. Now in here, go down and select Ringtone. Next, in here, you want to scroll down and select a ringtone that you would like to use. Now, the default ringtone is the Galaxy Bell. So from the list here, simply select your ringtone, the ringtone that you would like to use. You can also readjust the sound or the volume of the ringtone sound. And that's it. After, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.